Good day, mate. In this video, we will discuss one of your requests, OBS mic settings. Let's get into it. You need to know first there is two types of audio processing, okay? Indirect processing and direct audio processing. Direct audio processing is processing audio for Windows, okay? In your Windows operating system, this is supported and you will see the option use audio enhancement. Tick the box and you're good to go to use your audio enhancement program. Indirect audio processing is like processing your audio in OBS, okay, or other software. So if you're playing online with your friend will only hear your raw voice in your microphone, not the processed voice in your OBS. That you should know first. So before we continue, you need to know that in Windows, there is audio boost for audio interface. Okay, audio gain boost. If your Windows detecting your microphone as interface, the slider of audio boost will not appear. But Windows will actually boost your audio interface level when your audio volume or audio slider is more than 80%. So to get more crisp audio without noise floor is getting up or boosted, you need to adjust your audio level in Windows like 80%, like I did. If you using audio interface like mine, okay? Because this mic is actually audio interface, okay? I'm using Zoom H1, as you see here, okay? This is actually audio interface with integrated mic, but I'm using it like 90% of this as a mic because the mic sounds good, you know. Okay, so I will demonstrate to you guys how to process audio in your OBS software. Okay, first of all, I will turn off my audio processing here. So you hear the raw voice of my microphone, okay? This will sound a little bit quiet, okay? Because it is quiet, but what if I turn my Windows volume to 100%? You can hear everything. Oh my goodness. And it's speaking. It's speaking, bro. Oh my goodness. You can hear everything. And the noise is like too high, bro. No. I don't like this. I don't like this noise. So I turn my volume down. Okay. So what Zoom H1 tell me, and I see in my OBS volume here, volumeter here, is actually matched, okay? If I talk to you guys in like minus 10 dB in my monitor in Zoom H1, I will see my microphone volume in Windows is minus 10 dB as well, as you see here, okay? So this volume, this slider, and this volume in my microphone, is matched. So that's how I know that Windows is boosting my volume. Windows boost is never clean, okay? It will turn out the noise as well. Oh my goodness. No. So I can hear my voice like a clearer and noiseless, but it's much quieter. So we have to process our audio. As you see here, this is a direct processing audio. Tick this, enable audio enhancement, and this will enhance my audio, okay? I will talk about this plugin in the next episode, okay? This is direct audio processing, but you guys request for OBS audio processing. So I will demonstrate it to you guys. So I need to hear my voice first, okay? I need to monitor my voice first. So I click this three-dot button and click Advanced Audio Properties, and I always make my sound in mono because this is a stereo microphone, okay? This is a stereo microphone. This interface has two microphones like this, okay? This crisscrossing microphone. So you might hear my voice in your left ear right now, and you might hear my voice like in your right here right now, okay? This microphone is very, very good for ASMR. But I'm not doing as ASMR. So I will check this to mono, okay? I will tick this box to mono output. I choose this monitor only, mute output, because if I choose monitor and output, you will hear my voice is echoing, okay? Check. I might not hear it, but you might hear it, okay? So I will choose monitor only. Check. Okay, only monitor, not double output. Okay, so to make the audio much more cleaner, I will use filters in OBS. Okay, filters or plugin. Why do I need OBS for audio processing? You know, you might ask like that because OBS have a very specific noise reduction system. It's much more clearer than any free noise suppression plugin that I ever tasted. You might want to use OBS for recording. Okay, only for your recording. Noise suppression. Okay, this method RNN noise is very good quality, but it will use more CPU. But I'm not worried as well, you know, because my CPU is very good, and this noise reduction will peak 1% at my CPU, so I don't mind. Okay, so it doesn't bother me. So after I add my noise suppression, I need to get the voice. You know why I'm using a noise gate? While the noise is suppressed, you can hear everything. Okay, even my mouse click, you can hear it. Okay, so I will gate my voice. Okay, noise gate. Okay, I will choose my threshold to -40, so it sounds like natural, but you can't hear everything. Okay, this noise gate is very useful because you can hear the noise click, you can hear the keyboard, you know, clicky keyboard, because you know I'm using alt keyboard as well. IBM, the OG. This is the best keyboard for me. You know, even still Series or Razer can defeat IBM in my heart. This keyboard is as old as mine. And after noise gate, usually I will add EQ, parametric equalizer, EQ. We don't find EQ here, so we will use VST2 plugin, and you need to install your VST plugin first. Okay, in this case, I'm installed Reaper. Okay, Reaper plugin. You can download it. It's free. Link in the description below. Okay, I will use RIA EQ. Okay, Reaper equalizer. In this example, I will EQ my voice, but not like very detailed. Okay, this is just for example. Okay, I add my EQ. Okay, after I add my EQ, I will usually use my compressor. Okay, so OBS have their own compressor as well. Ratio 10:1. Okay, I will use this makeup gain to boost my voice. Okay, as you hear, my voice is quite low right now, so I will boost my voice with this. Okay, maybe 8 decibel is enough. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. Okay, 8 decibel, but it's still peaking at some level, so I will hard limit. I will use limiter to limit my volume, my voice. Okay, this is maximum of broadcast safe, -3 decibel. Okay, check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. After all, OBS plugin is good but not perfect. Okay, you might need to use VST plugin as well to EQ for this example. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. This is my voice before plugin. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. This is my voice after plugin. Check 1 2 3. There you go. Easy, right? If you have any question, drop your comment below, and see you in the next one.